Hi, today we're talking about flight reservation tracker. So, if you're looking for a flight reservation tracker where you can track all the reservations in flights that you're making, you can use this template. So, as you can see at the bottom, we have got a database which has all the flight related records like the reservation ID, the passenger details, the flight number, departure airport, arrival airport, and all the information that you would usually need. And we've also got a booking status at the end. And if you scroll to the top, we have got a summary section at the top which shows the upcoming flights. So this reflects all the flights that are scheduled to depart maybe today or maybe after today. Then we've got confirmed bookings. So all the bookings which have been confirmed are marked under here in the booking status. Then we've got pending bookings. So all the bookings which are in the status of pending are reflected over here. And then we have passengers. So as per different passenger records, all the reservations that have been made are available over here. And finally, we have the airline. So as per different airlines that you're flying in, you can see the records over here. So this template is customizable as per your needs and requirements. You can play around with all the settings and all the filters that have been applied, and you can create your own summary section over here. So I just want to talk about another tool, that is PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Google document as a source of a template file where you can define the PDF document, and then it takes help of a Google Sheet or a Notion database from where you can catch all the information that you want to replace in a Google document and generate the PDF documents in bulk. So you can watch a video of how you can do the same with invoices and how you can generate bulk invoice documents using the exact workflow that I just mentioned, and you can take help of PDF Output for a use case. If you have any questions or queries, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.